All right, so here's a look at the A3 lamination machine. So you can see this thing is about a medium-sized lamination machine, and this is great because it allows for up to 11 by 17 inch size compatibility and 3 to 10 mil thickness, which makes this perfect for school use, office use, or if you're just a hobbyist at home and you're just doing some basic lamination, this can work for you as well. Now, the thing that makes this lamination machine work better than others is it's going to have a 4-roller system. So it's going to have 2 heating rollers and 2 pressing rollers, and this is really going to allow for no bubbles, no wrinkles. It's just going to give a nice smooth lamination all the way across the page. It only takes about 55 seconds to actually heat up, so you're ready to start working in literally under a minute. Plus, it works at 1,000 millimeters per minute. So if you're going to be utilizing this for something, you're utilizing it as a workhorse, constantly laminating things, it's going to be able to work at speed. You can see up here on the front, you've got your different sizes, and if you wanted to, you could do things like cards. You've got your A6 all the way to A3. And then up here on the top, you're also going to have a lot of measurements, and this is going to help because if you flap this top part open here, you're going to have your cutter up there at the top, plus all the measurements that you would need to go ahead and cut that piece that you're laminating. Then over here on the side, you're able to switch the mode between 3, 5, 7, and 10 mil, making this pretty versatile for the size and the thickness. Down here at the bottom, there's going to be a spot to hold all of the accessories, and some of the cool accessories that are going to come with this are going to be your corner rounder. So you're not going to need a separate tool for that. And you're also going to have a hole punch in here as well. So no matter what it is that you're making, whether that be cards or just larger documents that need to be rounded, you've got everything here in this kit that you're going to need. So if you're looking for a workhorse lamination and these size requirements work for you, then I would highly recommend picking one of these up.